what I'm using to lay these out is this timber framing tape. You saw Jim mention this on his channel at some point, and I would say that I had already gotten one a few months back before Jim had mentioned it, before Jim Rogers, I guess, let us know that he sells them. I just bought mine from the company direct. So kind of wish I would have known that. I would have supported Jim. But anyways, so there's a few places you can get these. The easiest way is to just follow that link on Jim's channel, Jim the Tradesman's channel, and get it. But I would suggest, if you're going to do a timber framing project, get one of these tapes. They are nice, really nice, and they make it a lot easier. They lay flat, and with the offset starting point, you know, man, it just makes it nice and easy. So again, we're going off of our reference face, which is this face right here, and we're going to measure everything off of that. But first I have to establish my tape at the bottom of my post. And using a clamp to secure this tape to the bottom of the post is very helpful. My little clamps, my little rubber shoe clamps, they're too small to go across this post, so I have to use one of my bigger K-body clamps. But you know, any clamp will work. Well, I had an excellent day today. Thanks for tagging along on my journey on this timber frame barn build. I learned a lot today. I had a lot of fun. It's a great day at timber framing. It's a beautiful night tonight. It's a perfect ending to an absolutely incredible day. We'll see you guys on the next one.